Hello, beautiful humans. I hope you are well today. Today, I would like to discuss how slow living and minimalism can help us in hard times. Because in this video, I cover things that can trigger stress and anxiety. Enjoy the calm of nature. I would first like to address what is happening in Ukraine at the moment. With the largest invasion in Europe since World War II, it has most of the world on edge. With spiking gas prices and the escalation of food prices, now more than ever, we should consider how to live a slow, minimalist lifestyle. And with the possibility of a cyber attack, learning how to unplug is essential. We hope that this doesn't happen, but in the event that it does, we won't panic as much if we're prepared. By embracing slow minimalism, we learn how to live with less, and in times like these, the less we consume, the better prepared we are for hard times. Having said that, one thing that many minimalists seem to forget to do is to prepare for emergencies. We focus on living with less, and that's great. But we must also prepare for emergencies. The pandemic showed us how people can hoard items that we use every day. Remember toilet paper? So by preparing for an emergency, we can alleviate the stress of the uncertain. That doesn't mean we all need to become big-time preppers, but a little common sense says we should always be prepared for the uncertain. And here's a quick reminder to like, share, and subscribe. That way others can find this type of content as well. Now let's get back to it. Let's turn to the upside. On a practical level, many of us who lean towards slow, minimal living know how to cook with inexpensive and few ingredients. This has been very helpful. We don't rely on restaurants or takeout for our meals on a regular basis because we cook most of our meals and our pantry is stocked. We have enjoyed getting more creative with cooking and baking since we had to stay at home more. Just keep the pantry stocked with the basics for simple dishes, and this will alleviate our stress. The loss of jobs and reduced income concerns all of us, but over and over I see many people embracing minimalism in order to eliminate debt. Moving into smaller or more affordable homes means smaller mortgages and utility bills. Having little to no debt keeps us from freaking out too much. This mindset certainly helped me get through years of unemployment, and while I'm fortunate to own my own house, I know nothing is guaranteed. Having minimal or no debt helps us save a lot. Slow minimalism allows us to save for uncertain times. One surprising benefit of minimal living during a global crisis is the ability to feel a sense of calm, or at least minimal panic. I felt relatively calm during the many years of unemployment because I had little debt, a good savings cushion, and no desire to shop. Living through a global health and economic crisis is so much bigger, and knowing what is truly needed and having little desire to buy stuff keeps the anxiety away for the most part. An appreciation of experiencing instead of consuming fosters a sense of peace and serenity. Stay calm, keep perspective, prioritize what is most important. Living a slow minimalist life has helped more than hindered in getting through these challenging times. It never hurts to re-examine how we live and reflect on how we may need to change. It shows me that no matter what comes my way, I can come through this difficult time with a mental clarity in all aspects of my life. If you have any suggestions that can help our community at this time of uncertainty, please share them in the comments below. We all appreciate your input. And until next time, be kind to yourself.